If you're a CTO, a founder, or an engineering leader looking to scale up, you already know how absolutely critical and, let's be honest, how incredibly painful it can be to find the right development partner. We're cutting straight through all the noise in today's explainer to look at the definitive top custom software development companies in the USA. Okay, let's dive into this because there is a massive, definitive split happening in the custom software market right now. And honestly, understanding the split, it's literally the most important step you can take for your next project. You see, custom software development has basically fractured into two completely different markets. On one hand, you've got the templated version. This is where we build custom software is magically tacked on to every agency's services page, but spoiler alert, custom usually just turns out to mean an off-the-shelf CMS template that's been dressed up with rewritten copy and a fresh coat of paint, right? Then, on the other hand, you have real, bespoke custom engineering. We are talking about platforms engineered from the ground up, around your specific workflows, your deep integrations, and your strict compliance needs. The best part of this route? You get full code ownership. No vendor lock-in, no hidden hooks keeping you tied to the agency forever. This list we're evaluating today is designed to make that distinction crystal clear. Every single partner we're discussing has been vetted for what they actually engineer under real U.S. client conditions, not just what their glossy marketing pages promise. Now, what's really interesting here is our first look, DBB Software out of Krakow, Poland. These guys build custom software the way engineers actually want to work. Instead of leaning on templated CMS builds or indulging in status theater, they tackle projects using highly structured scope documents and AI-assisted workflows. What does that mean for you? Well, it means seriously compressed delivery times without sacrificing the underlying architecture. Actually, they are consistently shipping production-grade MVPs in about 12 weeks. To put that into perspective, your typical generalist team usually needs a painful 6 to 9 months to do the exact same thing. And when it comes to complex integrations like AI, SaaS, or payment authorizations, these zero in on deep transaction integrity right from day one. Operating at $25 to $49 an hour, if you need a partner to act as a high-level core engineering capability rather than just a branding shop, DBB is a massive contender. Let's see how this builds as we shift gears a bit. Because, let's face it, pure engineering isn't the whole shebang. If user experience and product adoption are just as absolutely crucial to your success as back-end reliability, then Unified Infotech out of New York is where you want to look. They've got over 14 years of multi-award-winning experience under their belt, charging between $50 and $99 an hour. They bring an intensely design-driven approach to the table, helping everyone from giant Fortune 500s down to scrappy, agile startups. Because they get it. A perfectly coded, bulletproof backend doesn't mean a thing if your users can't easily navigate the front end. They're a fantastic go-to when you need a partner who marries high-level product strategy with top-tier full-stack delivery. Now, for those of you wrestling with heavy back-end infrastructure, Fingent really deserves a specialized spotlight. They take on those massive, complex enterprise challenges. Think deep, cross-industry ERP integrations across finance, healthcare, and manufacturing. And they absolutely crush it, boasting a flawless 5.0 clutch rating. Finding a team that gets core engineering is hard enough, but finding one that can seamlessly weave that custom software into your incredibly complex legacy ERP systems, that is an entirely different beast. Operating in the $30 to $49 an hour range with a massive team of over 250 employees, they are a total powerhouse for mid-market and enterprise companies that need serious scale. Sometimes, though, finding the right fit isn't just about massive scale. It's about strict, zero margin for error regulatory adherence. And this brilliantly illustrates why Asahi Technologies is next on our radar. Take healthcare, for example. One single compliance mistake can completely sink a startup. Boom, done. Asahi specializes in delivering turnkey, fully HIPAA-compliant software, but with boutique agility. At $20 to $29 an hour, which is actually the most cost-effective rate we're looking at today, they are incredible if you're building, say, a telemedicine platform or a highly regulated health tech tool. They give you that ultra-focused domain expertise without the slow-moving bloat of a giant enterprise firm. Basically, they offer you far fewer sleepless nights worrying about compliance audits. Finally, we have Mercury Development. What really stands out with these guys is sheer, battle-tested longevity. We are talking about over 2 decades of experience delivering cross-platform iOS, Android, and IoT applications. And they do this for everyone from Fortune 500 behemoths to ambitious mid-market players. At $50 to $99 an hour, they're the ideal fit if you want unshakable reliability using a true hybrid model. They combine US-based leadership with offshore delivery to hit that sweet spot, a highly effective balance of clear communication, real cost efficiency, and incredibly high-end technical execution. So the crucial point is this. Real custom software means building platforms engineered specifically for your workflows, giving you total code ownership and locking you into absolutely zero vendor traps. Whether your roadmap demands AI-assisted rapid delivery, a flawless design-driven UX, incredibly deep ERP scaling, rigorous healthcare compliance, or 20 years of hybrid cross-platform engineering, the talent is absolutely out there. As we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with a thought to really chew on. When you take a hard look at your own product roadmap today, which of these exact specializations is the critical missing piece holding back your scale? Figure that out, and you've found your perfect engineering match.